In this video, I'll explain how you can update the HyperOS system on Xiaomi phones. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment so we can keep sharing helpful content. Let's get started. First, search for settings in the search bar. Alright, we found it. Now click on About Phone. It looks like there's a new update because the word update appears next to About Phone. This is the settings interface of the HyperOS system, a custom operating system by Xiaomi based on Android 15. To update the system, click on Update. Here are some important details about the update that you should keep in mind. The update won't delete your data, but it's recommended to back up your files as a precaution. The update package will be deleted automatically after installation, freeing up storage space. If you face any issues, you can use the Services Feedback app or visit the Xiaomi community for more information. You have the option to reboot now to install the update immediately. Let's click on Reboot Now to start installing the update. Great! The update has been successfully installed. You should install updates to protect yourself from hacking, as updates usually include security improvements, performance enhancements, and new features. Thanks for watching.